Magic Monk, Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk here. Last time I showed you guys a $19 HP printer. This time it's a 23 Australian dollar HP printer, which is about $15 US. And the biggest difference that I found is that it can print from your smartphone or tablet. How cool is that? How is that even possible for $23 Australian? So let's have a look at whether that works. So let's open it all up. Okay. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Also a little user manual. Pull it out. The sticker at the top. Right, remove the sticker. Alright, so now this box comes out. Alright, so we're going to close the lid for now. Obviously, we're going to put something in there very soon, but we don't need to worry about it yet. So the box that you just took out, it's got power cord in it. Okay, it's got power cord. It's got the ink. It's got some explanation on the ink. Now, the crazy thing is the ink itself probably costs more than a printer. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but so let's now plug in the power. All right, plug the power in. Okay, so the power is at the back. That's the power cable. So I'm now going to plug that in. So press the on button. It's all turning on. That's cool. And now we're going to go back to the ink cartridge. Okay, so firstly, let's open up the ink. Okay, so let's open it all up. There's the ink. Okay, and to install this, what we need to do is we need to tear off this little sheet of paper. Tear that off, and then we need to stick it in the printer head on the printer. So let's open it up again. Okay, so this is the front view of the printer. So now let's open that up. Okay, and you can see that thing comes to the middle. Now they seem to want you to do the black one first. So get the black ink opened up. Get the black ink opened up, pull this off, pull the protective thing off. All right, so let's slot it in. Felt a bit of a click. And then to do the same thing with the color one. Take that out. All right, so the two things are in there. And then what you need to do is shut the lid. Shut the lid. Shut the lid. Okay, so what they want you to do is pull up the paper support at the back. There's a little adjuster thing here. Basically determines where the paper is, I guess. So push it to the left so you can fit some paper in. Okay, so put some paper in. So the paper catcher on the bottom actually comes out from the side like this. You can catch some paper as it comes out. Okay, so we're now gonna try and install this printer via our phone. And you can see that they want us to go to 123.hp.com/DJ3630. So 123. Okay, easy setup, effortless printing. Get the app, HP Smart. So I'm guessing I'm getting the app. Get the app. HP Smart. 4.2 stars, always a good sign. Open. Welcome to HP Smart. Use this app to connect, set up, and manage your HP printer. I've reviewed, accept. Please, while we search for printers, get started by adding a new printer. Searching, supported, turned on, and connected to the network. Well, it won't be connected to the network because I haven't set that up yet. So let's persist with this for a second. It says no printer found, so let's try set up a new printer. Search for printers. Allow. Oh, it's found it. Deskjet 3630. So not sure how it managed to find that. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. So it's found the printer. It knows it's not connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's try and add the printer to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so I've typed my password in. Now, how is it connecting to the printer? It's because the printer is also emitting its own Wi-Fi network, as you can see here. Other than my home network, it's also got this HP setup network. So because it's detected that network, it must be trying to connect to that. And now I can connect to the printer. So I've switched to the printer network. I've told the printer to connect to the Wi-Fi network. And now the printer is going to connect to the Wi-Fi. And so now then I'm switching back to the old Wi-Fi to get to the printer. So that's basically how it works. Connects to the Wi-Fi from the printer via peer-to-peer Wi-Fi. Gives the printer the settings to the router. And then the printer connects to the router. And then I connect to the router. And then we both connect via my current home network. So that's how it works. Print from anywhere. Why not? Okay. Select all image with cars. Car there. Email me. Nah. Checking printer status. HP print service. Oh. Oh, something's coming out of my printer. Your printer email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. That's crazy. HP print service. Print from other devices. Add the printer on the new device. Okay, so let's see if we can print a document. Okay, so what's a document on my phone? I won't print that. Is there another document? What's this button? Oh, that just prints it. Alright, so let's see if we can print something from here. Or you can scan something as well. Print document. Okay, you can print from your Google Drive, print from Facebook, all that stuff. PDF. So there's nothing on my phone to print right now, probably. Oh yeah, let's see if I can print a screenshot from Instagram. I want to print this. So how do I print? More? No. Send? I gotta look for HP in all of this. Oh, there it is. HP print service. Select printer. Obviously that one. Okay, so let's see if it prints my screenshot. Screenshot's meant to look like that. That's huge. Turns into that. What? So that's not the right size, is it? It's meant to look like this. Just to recap, so I'm going to print photos. My photos. Gallery. Recent. Okay, let's say I want to print that. What's this settings button? Print. Okay, so it looks like that, which means there's got to be some settings to change. So let's go to the layout. And you can see there's something wrong there. Rotate. Resize. Fit page. Resize. Okay, that's a little bit better. So it fits on the page. Try that again. There it is. So that works a lot better. All right, my page is now, this is now printed. Okay, now I want to see if I can scan something.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.